Huh?
Guys, I got this fight. Hey guys, welcome to Journees World. So guys, I just found. Now we're getting headed that way. Okay.
All right, come on.
I'm gonna keep going, guys.
Slow down.
Okay. Oh my God. Your last part.
Then you could get Journee.
Hi, friends. Welcome to Journees World. She's feeding ducks today with her daddy.
Cheese.
Hi, Journee.
Dad, do I have to do something?
Do it.
Journee, say hi to your friends.
Hi, guys. I'm trying to feed a baby though. I'm not feeding the.
She's trying to feed the baby one. Look how cute these are.
Okay, my turn.
Journee, what you doing?
The ducks came
Feed the
back.
ducks. Feed the ducks.
Yeah.
Duck, duck.
They
Break
can't-
it. Break it.
they
Break it.
can't
They're actually little baby geese. Look at all these cute little babies, guys. Jay, what's up?
Good.
Hey! This is Journees World. Hi, Daddy.
Hey. Just feeding the geese and their little ducklings. Here.
You're featuring in Journees World. You feel special?
Yeah, I feel very special. Because Journee said she wanted to feed the birds today. And we got a little pond by our house.
That what we have back here? Is that Miliah? You gonna feed the birds too?
Yeah.
Come on, come feed the birds.
Yay! Hi, guys. These are the little baby birds. Finally hatched. Aren't they just so cute? The mommy is right across the street watching us. Oh, Jesus. Holy. Okay, gotta go.
So guys, I'm fixing Miliah's thing for her, and it's fantastic for her. You can buy this forever.
So this is her stand and walk Fisher Price toy we about to try out. Gotta put her baby in her. Journee's trying to put it together. And you guys can watch us try to fix it. Just a minute.
Don't you be a meanie. Thought you wanted me to go up. Why you trying to keep me teeny? It's a dreamy. Wished it on a genie. I got fans finally. Ain't she wanting them to see me? I thought you wanted this for my life. For my life. Said you wanted to see me thrive. You lied.
Hi, Miliah. Hey.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Hey guys, welcome to Journey.